Every day, thousands of people look for simple ways to improve their energy, feel stronger, and stay active. One ingredient that often gets attention is baking soda. But here is the truth that most people never hear. The real difference is not the ingredient itself. The real difference is how you use it. A simple ingredient can be helpful when used correctly, but the same ingredient can become useless or even cause problems when used the wrong way. Smart people know that success is rarely about having a secret. It is about following the right method with patience and discipline. Some people say they feel lighter, more energetic, and more comfortable after using this mixture properly as part of their routine. While everyone's body is different and results can vary, the way you prepare and use it matters far more than most people realize. In this video, you will learn the correct way to prepare this drink, which ingredients to use, who should avoid it, and how to use it as safely as possible. By the end, you will understand not only the recipe, but also the reason behind every step. Let's begin with the first ingredient. The first ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in small amounts for different household and food purposes. Some people also use it as part of wellness routines because it may help reduce stomach acidity in certain situations. When used appropriately, some believe it can support comfort and help maintain the body's normal acid-base balance. The important lesson is simple. Baking soda is not magic. The value comes from using the right amount at the right time. Think of it like a key. A key can open a door, but only if it fits the lock. Using too much or using it carelessly will not give better results. Precision is always more powerful than excess. Now let's move to the second ingredient. The second ingredient is ginger powder. Ginger has been valued for centuries because it may help support normal digestion and circulation. Many people also enjoy it because it gives a natural feeling of warmth and freshness. When included in a balanced diet, ginger can be part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Imagine drinking warm ginger tea after a long, tiring day. Many people find that it helps them feel refreshed and more comfortable. That is why ginger remains one of the most trusted natural ingredients around the world. The third ingredient is beetroot powder. Beetroot is rich in natural plant compounds and nutrients. Many people use it because it may help support normal blood flow and exercise performance. Some also choose beetroot as part of their daily routine to help them stay active and reduce feelings of tiredness after physical activity. The important point is consistency. Using beetroot once and expecting dramatic results is unrealistic. Small, steady habits often create the biggest improvements over time. For example, someone who includes healthy foods consistently every week is more likely to notice benefits than someone who tries everything for only one day and then quits. Quiet discipline always beats temporary excitement. The fourth ingredient is honey. Honey is often used as a natural sweetener. It contains natural sugars that can provide quick energy, which is why many people enjoy it before physical activity or when they need a fast energy boost. However, that boost is temporary, so honey works best as part of a balanced diet rather than as a long-term solution for energy. When these four ingredients are combined correctly, they may support your overall wellness, energy, circulation, and vitality. The secret is not using more ingredients. The secret is using the right ingredients in the right amounts. Now let's prepare the mixture step by step. First, take 1 teaspoon in a clean cup or glass. Next, take your beetroot powder. Measure 1 level teaspoon of beetroot powder. That amount is usually enough for 1 serving. If you are using fresh beetroot instead of powder, choose 1 small beetroot and prepare it before adding it to the drink. Place the beetroot powder into your cup. Now pour in warm water. Make sure the water is warm, not boiling. Very hot water can change the taste and may not be ideal for preparing this mixture. Warm water helps the ingredients blend together smoothly and creates a more pleasant drink. Once the warm water is added, the mixture is ready for the next ingredients, which will complete the recipe in the correct order. After adding the warm water, stir the mixture well until the beetroot powder is completely dissolved. A smooth mixture helps every ingredient blend evenly. creating a better drink. Now it is time to add the next ingredient, ginger. If you have ginger powder, measure half a teaspoon. If you prefer fresh ginger, simply grate a small piece, about the size of your thumb, and use that instead. Both options can work, so choose whichever is easier for you. Add the ginger to the cup and stir again, until everything is mixed well. This step may seem simple, but small details often create better results. A carefully prepared drink is always better than one made in a hurry. As the old lesson goes, people often fail not because they lack good ingredients, but because they ignore the importance of preparation. Next comes honey. Measure 1 teaspoon of honey. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can use 1 tablespoon, but remember that honey contains natural sugar, so moderation is always a wise choice. Pour the honey into the mixture and stir until it completely dissolves. Think of honey as the final touch that balances the flavor, while providing a quick source of natural energy. Just as a skilled leader knows when to speak and when to stay silent, every ingredient has its proper place and its proper amount. Now we reach the final ingredient, baking soda. This is the ingredient that deserves the most attention, because using too much is not better. In fact, with baking soda, less is more. Take only a small pinch of baking soda. There is no need to fill the spoon. A tiny amount is usually enough for this recipe. Add the baking soda to the mixture and stir gently until everything is fully blended. Your drink is now ready. It is best to drink it immediately after preparing it. Fresh mixtures generally taste better, and many people prefer using them right away rather than letting them sit for several hours. Now let's talk about when to use it. Many people choose to drink 1 cup either about an hour before bedtime or around 1 hour before physical activity. The timing depends on your daily routine and personal preference. Some people enjoy it before an evening walk, while others prefer it before exercising or other activities. The important thing is consistency, not rushing for instant results. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, enough sleep, and balanced nutrition, this mixture may help support energy levels, circulation, and overall wellness. It is not a miracle drink, but it can be one small part of healthy daily habits. Imagine 2 people. The first person depends only on quick fixes and expects dramatic changes overnight. The second person follows healthy habits every day, eats balanced meals, exercises regularly, sleeps well, and occasionally uses simple natural recipes responsibly. Months later, the second person is far more likely to see lasting improvements. Real strength is built through discipline, not shortcuts. However, this mixture is not suitable for everyone. If you have kidney disease, uncontrolled high blood pressure, a sensitive stomach, or if you take medications such as blood thinners, speak with your healthcare professional before trying this recipe. The same applies if you have any ongoing medical condition or are following a special treatment plan. Another important point is frequency. Because this recipe contains baking soda, it should not be used every day unless a healthcare professional specifically advises you to do so. Many people who choose to use it do so only occasionally, such as once or a few times per week. Always remember that more is not better. Wise people understand that moderation protects health, while excess often creates unnecessary problems. Finally, keep this in mind. This information is shared for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and it should never replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Knowledge becomes powerful only when it is used with wisdom. Listen to your body, make informed decisions, and always place your long-term health above the promise of quick results. If you found this video helpful, take one simple action today and apply what you learned. Small, consistent habits often create the biggest results over time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more practical health and wellness tips. Your support helps us create more useful videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and tell us where you're watching from or what topic you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay wise, and I'll see you in the next video.